Token replacements are a technique used in computer programming to replace placeholders in a text string with actual values. Hello everyone, welcome to Botsplash TV. I'm Will Amosich, and today I'll be diving into the nature of token replacements. When a consumer is engaging with an enterprise agent and basic contact and inquiry information has been collected, it's important to customize and personalize communications to meet consumers' needs. Token replacements uses placeholders or tokens to automatically fill in a consumer's provided first name into the pre-made or canned templates, making the messages present a much more personal tone. The Botsplash platform offers a robust token replacements in automated text, manual canned text, and texting campaigns across all communication channels such as web chat, SMS, and more. Entice your customers to engage and respond with you faster by winning them over with more personalized messages. I'm Will Amosich, and this has been a short overview of token replacements. Thank you for watching Botsplash TV.